We might be one step closer this morning to learning more about the government's case against Donald Trump.
A federal judge has given the Department of Justice 1 week to offer a redacted version of their justification to raid the former president's home in Florida. Fox's Doug Luzader has the latest developments from Washington.
Federal prosecutors have really argued against releasing this document, but a federal judge agreed with a number of media outlets who, along with Trump himself, say the public needs to know more about this case. Whether we learn more about the search of former President Trump's estate may all come down to what happens in this federal courthouse in coming days. The legal team for a number of media outlets told federal judge Bruce Reinhart, "We all need to see more about the government's case against Trump and his handling of government documents," and the judge seemed to agree.
At this juncture, he is not inclined to keep the entirety of the search warrant application and its affidavit under seal, meaning that he understands that the public is going to likely be entitled to some parts of this warrant application and its affidavit.
An attorney for the Justice Department argued against the release, but they now have a week to black out whatever portions of the affidavit in support of the search warrant are deemed too sensitive. Former President Trump supports the move, but one of his attorneys isn't hopeful we'll see much.
I think that there won't be very much transparency. I would expect that we'll get a lot of black ink all over that piece of paper.
Now, this came on the same day that the former chief financial officer of the Trump Organization pled guilty to tax charges. And there have been reports about a widening investigation into Trump's role in the January 6th attack on the Capitol.
There's a lot of torpedoes in the water for the former president, and any one of them can hit. And we still don't know what evidence outside of what was being sought might have been found.
And that continues to fuel speculation that the search of Trump's home may have gone well beyond just a hunt for missing government documents. In Washington, D.C., I'm Doug Luzader for Fox 13 News.